this is Candy. And Candy found out something really strange recently. So, when I was in the morning, when I was eating breakfast, I look up the time. It tells me it's 9 o'clock. Then I went to school. And when I come back, going to sleep at night, the clock is telling me it's 9 o'clock again. What happened? Oh, so in one day, we have 24 hours. And that means my hour arm is moving a clock twice. It's going around it twice. So, but why sometimes I only see 12 at 4:24? That is because we have 12-hour system and 24-hour system. First, let's take a look at the day in your life. Every time you see 0 a.m. or 12 a.m., that will be a new fresh of the day. So, that is the time at midnight where you're supposed to be in sleep. We also, from 0 all the way to 12 p.m., the first 12 hours, we'll indicate this as a.m. Okay, then let's take a look here. At 0 o'clock a.m., the first hour of your day, you will be in bed. And then what happened at 7 o'clock a.m. in the morning? That is the time you wake up, right? And then moving to 12 o'clock. But pay attention here. My 12 o'clock, it changed to p.m. This is at noon where you're supposed to have lunch. And remember, 12 is our middleman. So, whenever you see the 12, when the hour arm moving to 12, it switched from a.m. to p.m. Okay, then from 12 o'clock p.m., when you have lunch at noon, all the way till 11:59 p.m. That will be all of your afternoon, and that is p.m. in the 12-hour system. Okay, keep going on with your day. At 2 o'clock p.m., many of you having the recess of playing some sports. Also, at 6 o'clock p.m., where you're supposed to eat lunch, and all the way to 11:59 p.m., you're already in bed. And going back at 0 o'clock a.m. or 12 o'clock a.m., that's at the midnight for the next day. Okay, so remember our 12 is our middleman, and whenever you see the 12, and the whole day start fresh, and we switch from a.m. to p.m., from p.m. to a.m. Okay, now let's see. Let's see if you can indicate whether all the time here is a.m. or p.m. In the first picture, we have a little guy. He is sleeping on the moon. So 11 here is it a.m. or p.m.? Wow, it is the p.m. because it is sleeping and he is sleeping on the moon, normally indicate at night. Okay, second graph, we have you sitting around a dining table at school. And this will be 12 a.m. or p.m. That's also going to be 12 p.m. This is noon or midnight. This is our noon because you are having lunch at noon. So if it's 12 o'clock a.m., that is our early in the morning and indicate the next day. Okay, last picture. You're kicking and playing soccer. So for this one, is it 4 a.m. or 4 p.m.? Great, this is also p.m. for 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, this is our 12-hour system where you normally see a.m. and p.m. So when am I supposed to switch? Keep in mind our big middleman, my 12 o'clock. So whenever you see the 12, you will switch from AM to PM. And when you switch back, when is it? That will be 12 again. If you see the hour arm moving the second round, meeting 12 one more time, that will be the next day, and you're switching from PM back to AM. But you will say, Candy, here, not only you have 12, 4, you also have 16, 19. That is not 12 o'clock anymore. That is because many times we also have a 24-hour system. And that is commonly used when you're taking airplanes and you're taking your trains on your ticket. You will see the 24-hour system. Because in the day, we have how many hours? We have 24 hours. And using the 24-hour system, it will help you indicate morning or in the afternoon more accurately. Okay, in the 24-hour system, you will no longer see AM or PM anymore. But anytime after 12, it will be 13 all the way to 24. That will indicate our PM. Then my question would be, how can I switch from 12 to 24, 24 back to 12? Okay, let's give it a try. Here, we have a clock, 1 p.m. First, can you tell me, is this the 12-hour system or the 24-hour system? We see 12 p.m. here. So whenever you see AM and PM, this indicates the 12-hour system, right? Okay, this is my 12-hour system. And then, how can I go from 1 o'clock p.m.? How can I show this in the 24-hour system? First, this is p.m. Is this in the morning or in the afternoon? This will be in the afternoon, after lunch, right? Okay, so here, 1 o'clock p.m. We're just going to add 12. Whenever you see anything with p.m., you're going to add 12. So here, it's 1 o'clock p.m. You're going to add 12 hours. And now we just keep counting because 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. 12, the next hour, and the 24-hour will be 13. So we'll have 13 o'clock. That is also indicate with 1 o'clock p.m. Now, moving on to 15:30. First, can you tell me, is this the 12-hour system or the 24-hour system? This is our 24-hour system, right? Because I don't see any AM or PM after. Then, you can tell me, 15:30, is this AM or PM? Supposed to be in the morning or in the afternoon? This will be in the afternoon, right? Okay, so this is my 24-hour clock. How can I change it back to 12 o'clock? Okay, so if I want to change from 24-hour back into the 12-hour, because we know 15:30 it is already bigger than my 12. So I want to go back to indicate 12 o'clock, 12-hour system. I'm going to minus 12. Okay, let's see. 15:30. And we're going to minus 12. 12 is what? 12 is my 12 hours. So I only need to directly calculating with my hour clock, which is hour 15. So what is 15 minus 12? That is 3 o'clock, right? 3:30. Then you're going to tell me 3:30 a.m. or p.m. We're going to write p.m. Okay, guys. So, if you see a clock, first you are going to indicate whether this is a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock. And then, if you have a 12-hour clock, everything with a p.m., you're going to add 12 to find your 24 hours. But if you have your 24-hour clock and you want to go back to 12-hour, you're going to minus the 12. But don't forget, in the end, you're going to indicate whether this is p.m. or a.m. And don't forget, what is my middle guy? My 12 o'clock is my middle man, so be super careful. Okay, anytime you see the 12, you're going to switch a.m. to p.m. and the day is going to switch one more because one day has 24 hours. Okay, guys, so hopefully you learned a lot about the clock, and Candy will see you soon. Bye-bye!